Hello everyone, welcome back to Traffic Turbo channel. Today we're gonna speak about trends of the week, and of course, Easter is coming, and we're gonna have a lot of Easter trends. So be ready if you didn't have any design for Easter. So you have to start because Easter is coming, and there's gonna be a lot of demand for Easter. So as we can see here, for the first trend we have today is cute bunny rabbit loof, and it's only 1,100 results, which is considered a very good for competition, and at the same time it's easy to rank because I see here uh not so much and not so much good designs. I think the best design here is that one, and here is only for stickers, here for marks, so you can compete also for t-shirts. You can go for stickers. Here for example, it's a little bit not good design because it's only graphic and the text is not obvious at all. So if you put a design text with a graphic which is more obvious like that, it would be much better. So I think you can do a lot of stuff in this trend, especially as you can see here, there's a first page and even there's only graphics. So I think you can do better than that. So only 1,100 result is nothing. It's trending and it's gonna be more than 2,000, 3,000 in the next weeks. So start right now in this trend, cute bunny rabbit loof. Okay, the second one, hobby Easter, and of course that's really funny instead of happy Easter. So yeah, as we can see here, there are also some stickers. So I think for Easter, like the cell phones, sticker, masks, bags, it's not only t-shirts. So like something like that, it's really amazing and really crazy. So look, you can take a graphic like that from anywhere, from any website, as we can, in my channel, you can find how to find a free image online. You can just go for the last two videos that I speak about 12 websites that you can bring a free image online, and totally copyrights free. It's free public domain, and you can just come here and make like a pattern like that for bunnies, and that's it. It's very easy. You don't have even to design. You just put the graphic and then you make a pattern on Redbubble, and that's it. So it's very easy, as we can see, and it's only 1,049 results. Great. So let's go for the third one, which is Embarrass Your Weird. And here you can go with your imagination with everything about weirdo. So just go for that. And a lot of people like this design, especially. Just be weird, just be unexpected in your design, and it's gonna be amazing. Like Embarrass Your Weird. Okay, and then you find here an ananas with pizza. You can just go for anything, like a pizza with tacos, ananas with chocolate, anything, just something together which is weird and strange, and you're gonna do it. You don't have even to do the same font. Maybe Embarrass Your is like another font to make something a little bit more weird. So yeah, why not just try your imagination, try do something a little bit weird, and yeah, maybe someone like your design. Okay, so it had 99 results, and I think there is a demand for this special trend. Okay, the next trend, which is, as you can see, it's trend bunny penguin. So it's a cross niche between a penguin and also a bunny, which is related to Easter. So I think it's very good demanding trend right now, and as we can see, it's some stickers. Easily you can find these guys from any websites for free, like I don't know, Bixpay, or another websites. Like even in Google you can find that. If it's copyrights free, just take it, change a little bit, change the dimension, or maybe change the color, if it's vector, and just put it as a stickers. And even you can put it in another way, like not always like that, like maybe with angles and with a little bit of rotation. Someone is bigger than the other, so it's gonna be more attractive to the eye. Okay, and as we can see, it's just sticker, guys, and masks are really selling well in Easter. Remember that, masks and sticker. As we can see, all the trends on Easter are always masks or stickers or like bags, font, but t-shirts not that much. Like in the first page, it's only one and yeah, three t-shirts, and the others are stickers. Okay, so next one, eat, sleep, Paul, repeat. And here we go from this trend. It's always like eat, sleep, something, repeat. So you can do whatever you want. You can have a lot of variation in this trend, and you can be out of the competition. Or maybe you can make your trend, like eat, sleep, I don't know, basketball, repeat, eat, sleep, swimming, repeat. eat, sleep, camping, repeat, eat, sleep, bunny, repeat, eat, sleep, egg, repeat. Doesn't matter, man. Doesn't matter. Just use your imagination, make a lot of variation. It's easy to have one design and then make a lot of 20, 30 design and upload more. Just upload more and more, and don't just stick for the trend. Maybe for this trend make like 5 designs, that's enough, and then use something trendy or use cross niche like eat, sleep, quarantine, repeat, eat, sleep, you know, anything is coming, like any eat, sleep, love your mother, repeat, you know, for the Mother's Day, eat, sleep, like love your women because of the Women Day, you know. Just go for your imagination and try to make a design, a very good design, something like that, these are very good, and just cross niche with trendy stuff. Okay, let's go for the other one, the next one, which is Easter track, also related to Easter, and I see here 605 results only, and it's the first page. There is a mug, and I don't even know the design, I don't even see the design, so you know that this trend is still, I think it's not selling right now, but it's gonna sell soon. So it's easily, which means it's easily to rank on the first page. It's very easy, guys. Here there is not so much competition in the design at all. I don't see any good design except that one. Okay, and the other is just graphic without text. Even the text is not very good. I think it could be much more better. Here there's no text at all, it's only graphics, so it's easy to make, the first thing. And the second thing, it's just easy to compete because there is not good designs here. Okay, the next one, which is Bunny Better Have My Candy. that's really good, and I think here the designs are really good. Really, the designs here are perfect, but still you can compete because it's only 586 result. And yeah, in the second row, I think it's not that good. This is really good, and also this is somehow good. Even the color should be a little bit different because it's black t-shirt, but yeah, I think it's a good designs here. You can take some inspiration and do your own design, okay, and be unique, guys. Bunny Better Have My Candy, and then you can also change that, my chocolate, you know, my sweet, whatever, but you can just from one trend you can do a lot of variation. So the next one, a girl just wanna have a dog, and it's only 481 results. And I think, you know, girls and dogs, it's always like girls like dogs and everyone like dogs actually, but yeah, I think it's a good trend for maybe a lot of girls will search about that who have dogs. Why not? So for 181 results in the dog niche is literally nothing because dog niche is very, very big, and you know there are a lot of demands for dogs. So any girl would have dog, would like to have a design like that, and will search for girls just want to have a dog. For 181 results, could be funny, guys, and yeah, why not? The next one, which is dog grooming, eat, sleep, groom, repeat, and also related to the dog niche because I know quite well that the dog niche sell very good. So I have for you 2 trends right now. The first one was girls just want to have a dog, and then dog grooming, eat, sleep, groom, repeat. And yeah, you can do a lot of, here there are nice designs. You can also compete because it's only 261 results, which is nothing. It's easy with only one design. If you make 10 design, definitely 3-4 of them will be on the first page. So just for that, do 5 to 10 design because it's really good trend, and I think dog niche is very profitable. The last one we have here is eat, sleep, research, repeat. Like I told you, you can just make eat, sleep, something, repeat, eat, sleep, dog, repeat, eat, sleep, research, eat, sleep, camping, eat, sleep, yoga, repeat, eat, sleep, love your cat, repeat, eat, sleep, love your mother, repeat, eat, sleep, bunny, repeat, anything, you know, just use your imagination and change this word and do something trendy. And you can use this text design. It's really good when it's like text or repetition, or yeah, you can use vintage colors also is really good. And as you can see, it's really cool design, and even it's very easy to do in Canva. I have also some Canva tutorial. If you can go and check it, it's really easy. I show you how to use Canva. I show also a video how to use Zazzle Creator Studio. So I hope you like, guys, these trendy videos, and if you have any suggestions, just tell me in the comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. It motivates me to make a lot of videos. And stay tuned, guys, because in the next videos I'm gonna speak about KDB and a lot of tricks and tips in the KDB area. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.